Mishra, rather advocate, practicing in Supreme Court and High Court as a medico legal consultant. And last 13 years I am in this line and handled 13,000 plus cases. Let me share one very unique case with you, because every time I learn something new. I have got a call from a pathologist who was in trouble. When I inquired exactly what had happened, it was shocking revelation, because many pathologists are attached to various pathological centers and they visit all pathological centers as they get a time. This was the case where this center has collected a blood sample, and by mistake it was sample brought out from outside by patient himself, but the technician has not mentioned on paper that blood is collected in pathology center or brought from outside, and this blood sample was investigated for HIV, and ultimately HIV positive result was given to the patient. When patient came in evening, got the report, doctor guided him to meet a consultant because he was found to be HIV positive for further treatment, which has really caused lots of mental trauma to the patient. Later, after 2 days, this patient is gone to some other pathologist, done again HIV test, which turned out to be negative. This patient went to government hospital, again done a test, which turned out to be negative. And ultimately he filed a criminal case against the pathologist and MD pathologist and the owner of pathological lab under section of 336, 337 of IPC with 406, that is criminal breach of trust, and 420 of a cheating. And in this, all the people got arrested, a pathology, owner of the pathology, also MD pathology, under these section, and they bailed out, and we are fighting the case. Basically, when we gone deep to this particular thing, we found that the blood was brought from outside. So we are suspecting that this is the planned case, because planned cannot be ruled out. Why patient should do again HIV test immediately next day in spite of going to all sort of a treatment, means patient is already knowing that they've already sent a positive sample in spite, because name of the person given who has done a complaint was already negative, but sample was sent by some people which was already positive. Could be a planned case, but definitely what is written on document plays important role. And since technician has not mentioned how the sample is brought, whole case got registered against the people. The true story was different, which revealed later on. My friend, this is the time where we need to be very cautious what exactly we are doing. The same case also gone in consumer court, where tune of 70 lakhs has been filed against the doctor. My friend, this is the time where we need to have financial security as well as legal security to save ourselves. Financial security by taking indemnity, which should not be less than 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Legal security with the best of the medical legal experts like Doctors Risk Medical Legal Services, who are day in day out helping our doctors. My friend, you are welcome to be a part of this organization. My advice to you that please cross-verify anything and everything which you certify and sign on a paper, because your document plays very important role in court of law. Thank you.